At Bosslaser, our fiber metal cutting machines are designed, engineered, and built at our USA-based headquarters. Every system starts with precision-driven design, rigid frames, calibrated motion systems, and fiber sources integrated for accuracy, speed, and long-term reliability. Each machine is assembled, tested, and validated by highly trained FC technicians, experts in fiber technology, motion control, and metal processing. Once approved, machines are staged in our warehouse and shipped directly to your manufacturing floor, ready for production, not troubleshooting. And ownership doesn't end at delivery. We provide lifetime technical support for as long as you own the machine. Call us today and schedule a free in-person or virtual demo.